you'll see that we're using some of these recognizable numbers because, again, these are not our feelings. These are all supported by industry research and
Mhm.
reports. This is actually a real truth. 67% of salespeople's time is spent on non-selling activities, non-revenue
Yep.
generating activities. They are distracted with so many things. They're like, oh, I'm going to go create a list. I'm going to go look at the company. I'm going to go look at their, their news and what they are mentioned about them in the company. They do a lot of busy work, but it doesn't produce revenue. And a lot of times in the manufacturing space, what we've come to realize is these are sales engineers. They were previously they were engineers, or they're still engineers by trade. These guys are actually technically billable hours. And I've seen them at trade shows standing there for 3 days, $250 billable person, and multiple of those guys standing in a trade show booth collecting business cards. When in fact, we should figure out, how do I set these people up with a qualified conversation with prospects who they know are going to be buying, as opposed to somebody who's standing by or walking by to just grab a freebie, or or they're prospecting into accounts, wasting quality time of these salespeople.